Kuma. Come here. Oh, yep, yep. Wait, you ready? We gotta show the people over here what's up at the new place. Okay. Stay tuned.
I'm moving forward. Keep moving forward. Keep moving forward. Ain't no stress on me, Lord.
Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untitled Hawaii here, back finally back with another new video for you guys. It's been a while since we did a video, and the reason why is because all of this back here is going on. Recently moved to a new place, so yeah, there's been a lot of like organizing problems. As you can see, like nothing's really set up yet. This lighting is kind of all over the place. I got to figure out camera placements and stuff. It's been an ordeal, but we're back. And what we have for you guys today, this is Kuma, by the way. It's good. Okay, he's done. We're gonna trade the dog for a box. Yeah. A hype box. We got a hype box, and it should be glorious. It is a $1,000 hype box, and I'm pretty excited to open it. But before we open that, smaller box. Noisy box. This box comes to us from Net Magnetism. I've talked about Net Magnetism probably about 1,000,000 times by now on this channel. Really legit company up in Canada that really focuses, I guess, more on like sneaker raffles and stuff like that. They also have like vintage SBs that they have for sale. But more recently, they actually started up their own product, and that product is in this box. If you guys haven't seen that before, let me open it up and I'll show you guys what it is. This is their product. Net Magnetism, you guys can see right there. And peep the side right there. Tokyo T23 V5. Very cool on the box right there. This is their product, guys. Well, this is kind of their product. It's a lot of Lego stuff, and after you make all this Legos, it's supposed to turn into this. So yeah, this turns into that. Well, actually, isn't that sick? Tokyo 23 Jordan 5 model. Look at that, man. That's awesome. So basically, Net Magnetism did this really cool thing where you have like this Lego set and you turn it into like hypebeast sneakers. So that is sick. Obviously, I can't afford a T23 on its own, so the next best thing, you know what I mean? So they actually have a lot of different designs too, but by far, this one is my favorite. Very, very picturesque, man. It looks exactly like the sneaker, so I think that's pretty dope. So what's cool is they actually have this on sale right now on their website. I'll put the link in the description below. And what's even better is that they actually hooked up the Untitled Hana with free shipping. All you guys have to do is add Untied free ship at the end of your guys' order and you get free shipping on it. So it's even more of a deal. That's pretty dope in my opinion. Anyway, check them out, Net Magnetism, description below. And now I guess we can get into the hype box. This hype box comes to us from soulsteals.com. If you guys have never been to Soul Steals before, it's a membership website where you guys pay $20 a month for the opportunity to buy things like this, these hype boxes, hype mystery boxes, mystery hype beast boxes. Yeah, and discounted shoes at like very, very, very low prices. So I would check them out. Link in the description below as well. But yeah, let's take a look. Soul Steals, never let me down so far. $1,000 box, I'm excited. All right, let me put this on the ground because it's taking up a lot of the screen. So first thing that we got in here is a, what is this? Supreme cap of some kind. Supreme logo cord camp cap. So I don't know if you guys can see that on camera, but there's like Supreme kind of just all over this hat. Not really my flavor, I would say, but it's a good starting piece, I guess. Next out, we got a size large box logo. There's no box logo on it though. They forgot the logo. So this is an embroidered sleeve, just like those shorts that we got in like the last video, I believe. This one, on the sleeve, I put it up on the screen over here. It's actually embroidered Supreme. It's a pretty nice piece in my opinion, very simple. But yeah, these don't really go for too much money. It looks like it retailed for $158 for a hoodie. That's already pretty expensive, but definitely a nice piece. Next out, we got a Supreme coin bank, I believe this is called. It's like that illusion coin bank. I don't really know how this works. When you turn the box upside down, lock is automatically released so you can get your coins out. This is kind of cool. Should I keep this? It's 50 bucks though, I believe. 50 bucks for like an accessory. I might keep it. I might. We'll see. Next out is a, what is this? Oh, okay. It's that athletic Supreme shirt. You can see right there. It says Supreme L. I'm guessing L is for size large. Also very, very pink, so I don't think I'm gonna keep this one. It kind of looks red, I guess, in that camera. I'm not really sure what the value is on this one. It's a pretty basic tee, so I'm assuming it's not much, unfortunately. Okay, next out, what is this? Supreme tee, size large, Beyond Dreams? I don't know. I don't really know about this one, but it's like in a navy colorway, and that's pretty much it. Hopefully there's good value on it because I'm not seeing anything too good in terms of clothing. Like I said, the shoe is legit. One second, I've never seen the shoe in person, so I'm kind of excited. Before we get into that though, there is one Bape t-shirt in here. All right, and this is the Undefeated Bape shirt. You guys can see right there. It's a college tee, Undefeated Ape, standard camo, and you got the Undefeated logo right there. This is actually a really nice shirt. I'm probably gonna keep this. And the last thing in the box is a huge come up. Look at that. Look at that. I've never actually had one of these in my possession before, so this is kind of cool. Size 11, Air Max 1-97. But you guys already know what this is. These are the Sean Wotherspoons, man. And this is a sick piece. Look at that. I got the Flight Club tag on it too, so you guys know it's legit. Yeah, I don't know. Seeing them in person, they're a pretty nice shoe, I guess, but I don't really understand the hype of these things too much. Like, I don't know. Everybody's going crazy for them. I've heard that when you wear them, like, even after a week of just consistent wear, like, the inside lining just gets destroyed, so not a big fan of that. It is a nice shoe, though. It is creative, and it's something different, and I think that's what people enjoyed about it, you know? It's something different. Something people haven't seen before. That's why when this came out, that's why when the Off-White came out, it kind of, like, blew everything away, and you're like, whoa. What is this? I want this. And that's my take on the Wotherspoons. Overall for this box though, I think we made some good value. I know that the shoes by themselves are like 600 bucks unless they dipped in prices. I'm not too sure. They keep doing restocks like every other week, it feels like, for these. I don't really know how many they made, but it seems like it's a lot. But yeah, 600 or so. Bape tee probably won something. Embroidered hoodie probably won something. So I feel like it's good value. I don't know, that's just me. I think it's pretty good value. And yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. But yeah, anyway, check out Net Magnetism. Don't forget that Untied free ship so you guys can get free shipping on that sick, it's already back there, the T23 Jordan 5. They got a couple others on there as well. And be sure to check out Soul Steals if you guys want to try to get these hype boxes and shoes at a discount. I would highly recommend, because yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I still got a lot of sorting to do in this new area, so yeah, don't worry. It's coming along. Anyway, hope you guys stay tuned for the next one. Until next time, stay humble, stay blessed. Take care, guys. I'll see you. Aloha. Shh, there's like a desk in the way now. Shoots!